Hello. Most people will have probably heard of Hep2O push-fit plumbing, and some of you will already be using it and enjoying the many benefits it has to offer. So today, I'm going to tell you about the Hep2O range. Now, we were the company who actually invented push-fit plumbing back in the 70s. And it's great because it works with copper or plastic pipe, and it's designed to make every job, big or small, quick and easy. Okay, let's get started. Hep2O's innovative push-fit plumbing system is suitable for domestic hot and cold water supplies, as well as central and underfloor heating. It's available in either a standard or barrier pipe format and in a range of sizes from 10 to 28mm. Hep2O is part of the Waving Group, Europe's leading manufacturer and supplier of plastic piping systems. With a reputation built on quality and reliability, you can be sure that every Hep2O product is manufactured to the highest standards and rigorously tested. But it's not just designed to perform, it's built to last with a 50-year guarantee, the longest guarantee in the industry. Hep2O has one of the biggest ranges on the market, with fittings for every possible application. It's available in 10, 15, 22 and 28mm. And to make life easy, the packaging is colour-coded by size, so you can tell at a glance which size you need. Oh, and of course, the Hep keys are colour-coded too. With Hep2O's 50-year guarantee, InfoSure joint recognition technology, a handy Hep key for simple, secure demounting, plus the great choice of fittings and compatibility with copper, it's not hard to see why Hep2O is the leading choice for the professional installer. And with over 3,000 stockists, it's widely available through plumbers and builders merchants and trade outlets nationwide. The best way to see how great the Hep2O range is simply to try it for yourself. So to request a test pack or for more information, just visit hep2o.co.uk. Until next time, thanks for joining us and goodbye.